We're going to put on a chin spoiler on our 25 Road Glide. You can find a detailed instruction video on our YouTube channel. Check it out. When installing our chin spoiler, guys, you're going to have to install this bracket, the hardware that comes with the chin spoiler. There's going to be a total of 3 separate pieces in order for you to run the lower chin spoiler and the side lower fairings. I also found it easier to lift the front of the bike so you have a little bit of momentum on the wheel to get the chin spoiler underneath. Sometimes it helps to lube it up a little bit. I'll just get it on. We're just going to get it hand tightened first, and then plunge the little arms and the grommets. Get everything lined up. You may have to adjust these 2 bolts here. There you have it, our carbon fiber chin spoiler and chin spoiler kit on our 25 Road Glide. You can also tell by checking it out. We have some other carbon fiber parts on our website. Check it out.